Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port connector flex on the iPhone 11 Pro mobile phone. Please check the description for the required repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open it to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove the main battery connector shield by undoing two screws. Next, take off the LCD and earpiece assembly connector shield by removing 6 screws. Handle the cables carefully while unscrewing. Next, disconnect the main battery connector plug. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and digitize flex plugs. And then unplug the sense assembly plug from the logic board. Now you can feed the screen from the body. Next, take out the faulty charging port flex from the body. First, remove the shield on top of the charging port connector by undoing 4 screws. Next, remove the Taptic engine by undoing 3 screws and disconnecting the plug. Next, remove the speaker by undoing 3 screws and disconnecting the plug. Next, disconnect the secondary battery connector plug and then the wireless connector plug. Next, disconnect the 2 charging port connector plugs from the logic board. Next, remove the shield on the charging port connector flex by undoing the 2 screws. Next, remove the bottom left bracket by undoing the screw. Next, undo 9 screws holding the charging port flex cable and gently free the cable from the body. Next, gently pry the charging port flex cable and use a heat gun to loosen the adhesive that secures the cable. This process will take time and gently take out the not working charging port connector flex from the body. Next, pull the not working charging port flex cable from the body. Next, place the new charging port flex cable on the body. Secure the connector port to the slot and align the charging port flex cable securely. Be gentle in this process. Proper alignment is the key in this stage. Next, secure the flex cable by adding 9 screws and then secure the screw by adding the shield. Next, secure the secondary battery connector plug and the wireless connector plug. Next, secure both charging port flex cables to the board. Next, place and secure the charging flex bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the speaker and secure it by adding the plug and 3 screws. Next, place the Taptic engine and secure it by adding the plug and the 3 screws. Next, place the charging port shield by adding 4 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece assembly plug. Then secure both LCD connector plugs. Once they are secured in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 6 screws and the battery shield by adding 2 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame. Then gently press down to lock it in place. Work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.